Now we are ready to make our first video class. I would like you to open whichever PPT app you have downloaded. Here you can see I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint. You might be using WPS. Whichever it is, I have sent you an FDP practice PPT. Remember, your X recorder should be on and it will be on the side here. Okay, but it's not recording yet. Do not press the record button yet. Okay, we're just here to practice our PP. You have the FDP practice PPT. I would like you to open that by clicking on it. It's opening. You're still not recording anything. Make sure. You can see that it is still not on presentation mode. You need to have it full screen without any other buttons. So in Microsoft PowerPoint, you need to press this button so that you can take it to full screen. So I'm going to press that now and you can see we have on full screen. You can see that the button for audio recording is video recording is still here, as you can see. So now when you're ready to start your presentation, you can press the record button. The record button is on the top. In case you want to have your face camera, you can click the tools button and switch on the camera. Now you can see me taking class here. Fill this inside properly and adjust your camera position so that we can be seen properly. You can use your finger to bring the camera wherever you want. You want to resize it, you can use this button, click it and resize your camera. So now you have a camera ready. I've given that purple box so that you can keep your PPT. You can keep your camera inside that. So now everything is ready. We are ready to start our recording. So once you are ready, you can press this button and press record. It starts the countdown here, 3, 2, 1, and your classes are ready. Look into the camera as much as possible. Now it is just a simple matter of taking your class. You can click next, and now I want you to adjust this here so that it looks aesthetically good. That's why I've given you a try not to shake the camera as much as possible, and you can finish it off. So this is what I want you to do. Create a class like this just now for this moment, and then when you have finished it, you can click this button here. You can see this button again. You click that, you can see you already finished 47 seconds of this, and you can pause it if you want. You can pause it if you want here, and if you're done with your lessons, just press stop. So that was the preview of your previous file which you have just recorded. As you can see, it's here. It's recorded as a single file. You can upload it directly on YouTube, or if you want to edit, or in case you have done 2 or 3 different videos which you want to join, there's a simple editing tool you can see here. You can see there is an option to edit your video here. You can also merge 2 or 3 different videos here if you have done that. So we can look into how editing is done. I'm going to click on that and I will click these. So this is your editing panel. You can see so many different items are there. If you want to trim the video, you can press that and you can drag how much ever trimming is required, because sometimes you might need to switch off trim the first part and the last part. See what I'm doing here? So you can trim the video and say okay. So that is basic trimming. If you want to add some music, you can add music here. These are things which I want you to explore on your own. You want to add text, you can add text here. Text, I've written test and I'm dragging everything using my finger, just like in a smartphone. And you can place the text here by dragging and dropping it. So it's very easy once you get a hang of it. So there are different options here. You want to crop your video, you just want only this much, you can do that. You can get the video ratio here down, and if you click on it, you will see this is the original because you have cropped it. For if you're going for YouTube, always go for 16:9. That's the best resolution. And then you can come back and see, crop it again. It's always possible to redo whatever you have done. You want to rotate your video, keep rotating like this. So there are a lot of options here which you can do. And if you want to add some other video, you can add some other video by pressing this plus button and add that video and say okay. So this is a simple editor version. The video joiner and merger also works similarly. So I want you to go ahead and have fun with this. Hope you enjoyed watching these videos. Now it's time for you to go and put these knowledge, tips, tricks, techniques, whatever you want to call it, into practice. So all the best. I'm here to clarify whatever doubts you have. All the best.